Hi everyone! In this video, we'll take you through some tips and tricks that will help you use Smart Vinyl more effectively to make a range of projects. We'll start with a quick tip about the right way to insert Smart Vinyl into your Explore 3 or Maker 3. As you feed the vinyl into the mat guides, push forward toward the rollers and to the left against the left-hand guide to ensure proper alignment. If you're loading Smart Vinyl you've cut before, square off the leading edge so that it feeds evenly into the guides. Now let's talk about weeding, which is the process of removing excess vinyl from an image after a cut. If you're a beginner, you'll want to start with images or projects that are simple, not images with lots of intricate pieces to remove during the weeding process. We typically peel off the outside of the cut by hand, and then go in with a weeding tool to get the smaller pieces out of the image. Moving on, let's get into transfer tape. Transfer tape allows you to easily transfer vinyl stickers from the carrier sheet the vinyl comes on to your project, whether that's a tumbler, a phone case, or anything else. Transfer tape keeps the elements of your design in place and eliminates the chance that you'll trap air bubbles under your vinyl sticker. First, you'll want to match your transfer tape to the size of the cut vinyl. Now, peel back the transfer tape from its carrier sheet and apply it to your vinyl. Use a scraper tool to make sure you get a strong bond. Burnish the front and the back of the image. Flip over your vinyl piece and pull the vinyl carrier sheet away from the transfer tape on your table. Use steady force at an angle. You may need to reburnish as you go if pieces aren't removing cleanly. When applying vinyl, make sure your surface is clean and align your image before sticking your vinyl to the surface. Now, burnish again. Use steady force at an angle to remove the transfer tape. Use your fingers or scraper tool to make sure everything applies evenly. That's all. Have fun working with Smart Vinyl.